So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're gonna be doing a clothing haul and try on from BOOHOO. So let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing I picked up from BOOHOO is actually the dress I'm currently wearing. I am so into like newspaper print dresses, and I've been seeing them everywhere all over Instagram, so I knew I wanted to pick one up at some point and wear it on my channel at some point in the future. However, this one from BOOHOO does have like acid green chartreuse pops all throughout it, which is my favorite color if I've not said it enough on my channel. So I knew I needed it, I knew I had to pick it up, and this is the first thing I picked up. It's already on my body, girl. The next thing I picked up from BOOHOO is this pink tiger print skater dress. I did already wear a two-piece set last year in the like mint colour of this tiger print set, and I really liked it. I really liked the way it looked, so I picked up a pink tiger print like alternative style of that, and yeah, at some point you're definitely going to see it on my channel. I think tiger print is so pretty and like underrated, and it's in pink, my second favourite colour, so needed it, girl. So I think in every single clothing haul I've done so far on my channel, I always pick up something either snake print or floral print. So I'm following the trend, and the next dress I picked up is this really cute Bardot off-the-shoulder pink floral dress. I really like the Bardot style. I've said it so many times, since it allows me to like contour on a chest, and I feel like it's quite a feminizing style and lets me like have my hair down without it like getting in the way of the garment. So yeah, I always like search for different Bardot style dresses, especially if they're floral print and especially if they're pink, and this is all of the above, so the next dress I knew I needed. Speaking of floral prints, the next dress I picked up is another floral print number. As you guys know, I love floral. I feel like it very much fits my branding and just kind of my sense of style, and again, lots of pink roses. Everything to do with roses is so like everything to me, so if I see a pink rose on anything, I know I'm gonna end up picking it up. So yeah, the next dress I picked up is also floral print, also contains roses, and also needed, girl. You're lucky the next dress isn't floral print. The next thing I ended up picking up is this really like sophisticated but sexy blue fitted dress. I'm always into like corporate kind of chic looking things every now and then, and this just gave me like work business fish, but also that like hooker that works on the street as well as the office. So I knew I needed it. I knew it fit my style and aesthetic, and at some point you will see this little blue number on my channel, since I just really like the way it's cut and like the way it's styled. So yeah, I'll be serving corporate fish as well as hooker in one with this dress on. And we're back to floral prints already. I am planning to do a full-on like floral fantasy series at some point this year on my channel, since I'm just really feeling that vibe, and you guys know Luna Rose is my drag name, so anything to do with like flowers really seems to like appeal to me. So yeah, I picked up another, yet again, floral print dress. This one again is kind of like pinky in tone, and I just can't get enough of them. I think they're so pretty, so feminine, and just kind of gives me what I want from my aesthetic. So yeah, the next dress I picked up is a slightly longer floral print dress, because, you know, I don't have enough of them, right? So ever since I filmed my Aqua Barbie Girl look last year for Halloween, I've been so obsessed with like aqua and teal. So the next dress I picked up is this teal little mini dress here. I just think it gives such like a nice punch and pop of color on my skin tone, and yeah, be sure to see this transformation in like its full glory at some point in this year when I film my turquoise for the boys look, since, girl, teal is just like it for me right now. Definitely need to change up my style and not only buy floral prints in hauls, but this next little number is just this really cute little easy breezy beautiful light blue little crop top. I am such a huge fan of crop tops, since generally you guys see me from like, you know, like the tits up, and when I'm sat down with like corsets and padding and the works, it gets so warm with my filming lights on. So crop tops are really good for me not melting while I'm in drag, and I just thought it was like super soft and like dainty and cute, so needed it, girl. I did also pick up that little daisy print crop top in like a soft pink mauvey color, since pink is one of my favorite colors when I'm in drag, so pretty much if it's pink and floral, I end up picking it up, girl. So also got it in pink. So the next thing I picked up isn't floral print, however it does have to do with flowers, because it's this leaf print off the shoulder Bardot style dress. Like I said, I love the Bardot style, I love the colour green, and this encapsulated that, so I knew I needed it, girl. I have so many clothes. Okay, I've got something else that isn't floral print. Look at me go. The next thing I picked up is this super cute little peachy skater skirt. I am such a huge fan of like flowy movie kind of skirts, since then I don't particularly have to pad and control my natural legs and just kind of have a little bit more of an easygoing like vibe to my drag look. So yeah, the next thing I picked up is a nice flowy little skater skirt, and at some point you'll see it on my channel in the future. And then to finish off, the final thing I picked up is also, again, obviously going to be a floral print number, and it is this super sexy orange swimsuit. I am such a huge fan of swimsuits, since it really helps me like show off my legs and make me look a lot longer than I am, and it seems to always cover up the areas that I want to cover up, meaning like my stomach area. So I'm always a huge fan of swimsuits. I don't really own or wear too much things that are orange, so a little bit different for me and outside my usual comfort zone, but it's floral print, so I needed it. And then yeah, that completes my little boohoo haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up if you want to see more hauls on my channel. Comment down below if you want me to wear any of these looks in future transformations. And don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 10 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. But like I said, make sure that bell's hit to notify you if I do any bonus days or just like updates in general to do with me. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.